Hi, this is Sharon Diaz with DLW Law, and I want to talk to you about divorcing with dignity. Divorce is a very stressful event in the lives of married couples, and it's important for you to remember that there was once something that brought you both together. Keeping that in mind, and keeping in mind that that divorce can go more smoothly and be more tolerable, will help you make decisions about how to divide your assets and dissolve your relationship without destroying each other. Engaging in a contentious divorce costs you thousands of dollars in assets and will cost both of you untold heartache, misery, and stress. It's not worth what you're going to end up getting out of it. What you need to understand about divorce in Texas is that the courts will divide the assets according to a fair and equitable distribution. We have no fault divorce in Texas, so it's unlikely that any errors on the part of your spouse is going to result in you getting the largest share or all of the community estate. So to engage in a long and protracted court battle over these assets will most likely still end in a result in which the court awards both parties roughly half of the assets. There are situations where one party can get more assets than the other, but those are limited. And 80% of the cases that go to court really could have been resolved using two competent attorneys who hammer out a divorce decree that's fair and equitable to both parties. Once you enter into litigation, you've opened the door to all kinds of negative and hurtful things being brought into court and also being put on the public record. So you need to think carefully about what your motivation is. Are you trying to get revenge, or are you trying to dissolve your marriage and divide up your assets fairly? Remember, when divorcing, that the best revenge for any slights is to live well afterwards. And the only way to do that is to approach your divorce with dignity and respect for yourself, and make sure that you don't engage in behavior that you're going to regret later. I'm Sharon Diaz with DLW Law, your hometown law firm.